Dear children, today we will start a new chapter of Grade 5 Social Science, that is Prairies, the Treeless Grasslands. First of all, what is grassland? Grassland is a large area of open land which is covered with wild grass. Grasslands of the world have an extreme climate in which winters are cold and summers are hot. The rainfall is less. So what is grassland? See, in the picture it is very clear that the grassland is very large area where which is covered with only wild grass. Hardly any tree is there. And it has extreme climate. Why all the grassland in the world have extreme climate? Because all the grasslands, most of these grasslands of the world are found in this temperate zone. Temperate zone is yellow in color. See, the temperate zone lies between 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and between 23.5 degrees south and 66.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. This you have already done in chapter number 1 of your social science book, that is heat zones of the earth. So as all the grasslands of the world are found in temperate zone, that's why it has extreme climate. Okay. So the grasslands are known by different names in different continents. The temperate grasslands are known as prairies in North America, pampas in South America, downs in Australia, steppes in Eurasia, and velds in South America. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to study about only prairies. These are also temperate grasslands, and these are also found in the temperate zone. Now, why its name is prairie? The word prairie comes from the French word meaning meadow. Meadow means घास का मैदान, and you have read that grasslands means the area which is covered with only long, tall grasses. Okay, the prairies are vast stretch of land in the center of North America. The land is either flat or hilly, and it is covered with tall grasses for miles and miles. Hardly any trees are found. Okay. Now let's discuss about climate and vegetation of the grasslands. Climate we have already discussed that it lies in the temperate zone, and temperate zone has extreme climate. So winters are very cold here and summers are very hot here. And moderate rainfall occurs mostly in summers here. And there is occasionally rainfall in winters. Now let's discuss about vegetation. The climate and soil of this region are suitable for the growth of grass, and soil is also very fertile here, and the rivers Mississippi and Missouri flows through the prairies, and it also provides enough water for cultivating crops here. And the crops which are grown here are wheat, maize, rye, oats and barley. Today the land has been cleared for agriculture. So, prairies are also called the wheat basket of the world. But why it is called the wheat basket of the world? The prairies, which used to be covered with thick grasses, are now the biggest wheat growing basket in the world and are called world's wheat basket. Wheat produced here is enough not only for the country but is exported to other countries also. That's why prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. So that's all for today. Few more topics are left which we will cover in our part 2 video. Thank you children.